Welcome to my channel. Today's recipe asterisk. Aloo gajar ki sabzi. Simple, tasty, ready in 20 minutes. Yummy face. Ingredients. Potatoes. 2 medium, cut into cubes. Carrots cut into cubes. Onion. 1 medium, finely chopped. Tomato. 1 medium, chopped. Spices. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, half a teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half a teaspoon red chili powder, salt to taste plus a pinch of garam masala. Fresh coriander plus green chili 1 to 3. Method. Sautéing asterisk. Heat oil in a pan. Add cumin seeds. Then sauté onion until lightly golden. Spice base asterisk. Add turmeric, coriander, red chili, salt. Tomato and cook 2 minutes until tomato softens. Add veggies asterisk. Add potatoes plus carrots and stir fry on high heat for 3 to 4 minutes so all the masala coats them. Steam asterisk. Add 1/2 cup water. Cover and cook on low heat for 12 to 15 minutes. Mix once in between. Once potatoes plus carrots are tender, it's ready. Final touch asterisk. Add fresh coriander plus a pinch of garam masala and steam for 1 more min. Now dish out. If you liked the recipe, then like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon, and definitely try it at home. Allah Hafiz.